Good morning, Sila Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sila Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Sila family.
I'm Victoria.
Y yo soy Nicolás.
Happy Wednesday, November 30th.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Wow, it's raining cats and dogs.
Yeah, I hope the rain stops today.
Now for the weather.
Hi, Silos. Right now it's 67 degrees and rainy. This afternoon it will be 32 degrees and rainy. Looks like it's going to be raining all day. Now back to our host.
Let's see what we have on the lunch menu today. Our today's options for lunch: hamburger, cheddar burger, baked beans, seasoned crinkle cut fries, and a variety of fruits. Now back to our host.
Guess what?
What?
We are bringing back riddle time.
Yeah, let's have a look. The riddle is, if I have a yellow hat and drop it into the Red Sea, what happens to the hat? The riddle is, again, if I have a yellow hat and drop it into the Red Sea, what will happen to the hat? We'll have the answer tomorrow. Back to our host.
Today is the last day of November, so we are celebrating November birthdays.
Happy birthday to you.
A very happy birthday to the following people: Diana Carranza, Jack Mooney, Jaden Benitez, Asa Kaja, Joshua Martinez, Briseida Diaz, Dorico Williams, Chloe Sarco, Juliana Sin, Alan Cuadro, Miguel Plasencia, Ismar Ramos, Dylan Factor, Naomi Fontaine, Avonlea Lombrook, Boy,
Happy birthday to you.
Sarah Campos, Giancarlo Mendez, Diego Guzman, Amani Mackin, Halia Mukendi, William Norman, Brianni Ruiz, Juan Flores de Aguilla,
Happy birthday.
Cao Santos, Eliani, and today we have 5 birthdays. So happy birthday to Eliani Enriquez,
Happy birthday to you.
Jaden Maldonado,
Happy
Abril Rico,
to you.
Adelise Rodriguez, and Emily Salazar.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Today positive affirmation is,
Every day is a change to be better.
today is B Day in middle school.
I'm Victoria.
Y yo soy Nicolás.
Have an amazing and wonderful day. Adios!